Hello all, welcome back to DeltaByte TV. Today we are going to review or see how we can generate music using AI. So we are going to use this web service called Boomy. Boomy. It is a web service where you can create generative music and share it with the world. Make original songs in seconds, even if you have never made music before. You submit your songs to streaming platform and get paid when people listen. Yeah, you can as well join a global community of artists empowered by Boomy AI. So for you to be able to create songs, you have to first sign up. You can sign up using your email, your Gmail account, your Apple account, or your Facebook account, or as well you can sign up using your email. So after signing up, it is a simple signing up. Let me on the private window. Let's see boomy.com. I show you how you're going to create your account. Yeah, you're going here to come here and sign up. Create account. You can either sign up, enter your email account here, then enter your password, or you can use your already services like sign up with Apple account, Gmail account, or Google account, or Facebook account. So after signing up, nothing more, you be presented to this dashboard here, and you can see your profile here. So we have three options here. You have the home button, create button, and library button. So here create, it is where you're going to create your song. If you click here, you're going to create a song or a release. To release the song you have already created, doing those composition and so on. So another thing to note here, when you sign up here, you have plans here. You can sign up to Boomy plan, where you have the option to have unlimited saves. You can download your songs, the songs you have created. You can release unlimited album or singles, priority rights request. So this one it's going for $119 annually, but it is charged per monthly, but the bill is charged annually. We have the Boomy Premium here, which goes for $2.99 per month. That is around $3 per month. And with this option, you get to have unlimited saves. You can download songs and release up to 20 albums or singles. It is billed annually, that $5. Boomy free plan, this the one I'm using. You have limited song saves and release up to 5 or albums or singles. So because I'm just experimenting, I'm going to upgrade to this one later after seeing, after previewing it. So we are going to and here you're going to see the revenue you have collected for people streaming your music, which you have not as in my case here. You can see you have not have a transaction history yet. Credit to your account can take anywhere from 2 to 3 months to populate. You see your revenue here. So let's go back here, create a song. You have to select the style of the song you want to compose, that is, or to create. Start by using the instrumental style of your song: electronic dance, rap dance, lo-fi, global groove, custom, relaxation, meditation. So you can use already the pre-made ones, or you can custom, start afresh, create your own composition with your own unique style. Maybe I'm going to do this on custom. So you click on the custom, everything you create from scratch. So let's see. So we can maybe, can we preview the rap beat? I'm going to maybe create a rap beat here. So let's preview Shake Your Boomy. This one, Boomy Bomb. I see this R&B. Going to compose an R&B one. Instrumental. Let's see. Do you want to have? Can we have classical string? I don't know. 70s fusion. Let's see, 70 fusions here. Yeah, I think I'm going to select this one, drums. Drums, obvious. You're going to select the trap beat 8 mixing. Let's preview this. Green one. Sound. We want sound here. Oh, done. Tempo or song we want to be 90. Density. I think the rest I'm going to leave it as it is because I don't have a background in music, so I might mess up things here, but you can experiment until you trick to that liking, to your liking, that is. So I'm going to press create song, and I've been put in a queue here, as you can see, joining queue. So it will take some time because someone also, yeah, I'm already in composing, so my song is composing. Let's wait for it to finish and it will start recording. Yeah, now we are in recording session. Let's wait for it. In the meantime, make sure to like, comment and subscribe to this channel. So it is fetching, and also we have our song here. It's loading. Let's wait and hear it, how it sounds. Yeah, that's how our song sounds. So with this one, you're going, you can as well add vocals. You can add the vocals here. You can rewrite your song. You can rearrange, as well as instrument and sounds. You can edit here. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to add new song. Maybe I can call it soul. Artist name, oh yes, Delta bytes. Tag R&B. Yeah, who can sing my song? Everyone or only me? You can set to everyone to see it or only you. By option, I'm going to select only me and hit save changes. So let's see. Oh, no, you need this option of rewriting. Yeah, you can as well write composition you change and tweak this to your likings. Density, maybe drum density, you can reduce it. I don't know if this is reducing or something. Bass density as well, I think we can do it at 2. Lead density around 3. Maybe rewrite our song. Let's see how it sounds. You can trick to your liking, and as much as you want it, then you can add vocals. And yeah, let's wait for it to finish and we are going to proceed from here. You can as well check for other AI videos I have done in the past. YouTube, terabytes. Yeah, this one, terabytes. You can see I've done some videos here. Yeah, this one is the recent one I did about text to speech, where the AI is kind of sounding. Oh, as I was saying, this one AI is sounding human, like you can't even differentiate if you're not keen enough. Then here I did about the hugging face. Let's see, you can see it here. The hugging face, where you can put text and it will convert it to video. We have the OpenAI Chat-GPT here. It did talk about it. Then we have this subtitle edit, where you wrote the models and it will automatically convert speech to text. So with this AI general intelligence, it is making our work kind of easier, or although it is scary, because some of the people might get through their jobs or earning revenue. So let's get back to our songs. This is our songs that we have revised. Then we can save. We did not put the title, man. Put the title. Let's say revised. The title revised. The bytes and save changes. So we can don't want it to press next. We are producing another new next. So saving, yeah. Then after creating our song, we can come here and release our song here. But this option will be available when our song have been reviewed and accepted. So here you can upload art, your own art, or enter art to generate an AI image. AI is amazing. I'll just say revised as our song. Revised. We generate our art, and album will be revised. Revised. Terabytes. Alternative. Can leave it as alternative. Yeah. Do you like it? No. If you don't like it, you can as well generate another image using AI. With this platform, everything is AI generated. This one seems to be recommending via revised versions of Bible. Can we call it another? Maybe I say hope. I don't know. Let's see what the AI generates. Yeah, this will be our art. If we are happy with that, press continue, and then You can select the songs you want to release, and you'll be asked confirm release, and it will be reviewed. This release will be submitted for review to the content review team. If approved, it will be submitted to the stores listed here. You can as well click and see the store where your music will be submitted, and then you can schedule release after your song have been reviewed. So it will be this date, and I'm going to submit for review. Your album has been submitted for review. So you can see the submitted music here, and wait for review, and then it be released to those streaming services where will be earning a revenue when each and every time people stream your music. Yeah, and that's for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and hope you enjoyed it and learned about how to generate generative music. Make sure to subscribe and like and share this video. Let's hack the YouTube algorithm. Cheers, guys. See you on the next video. I'm out.